Students, today we will continue our class. So this is your content book. Open page number 38. Okay. So today we will read features of metal and wood. Okay. So students, there are many things at our home, at our class. Okay. So the things are made up of either they are made up of clay, either they are made up of stone, glass, wood, metal, plastic, like chairs. They are made up of plastic, and kitchen utensils like spatula, spoon, they are made up of metal. Okay, and wood, chairs and tables are made up of wood. So all the things are made up of material. Okay, now we will study about metal and wood. So features of metal. Metal comes from rocks called ore. Beta, metals comes from rocks called ore. Okay, like zinc. Okay, and gold, silver. We get these metals from ore. Okay, most metals are hard, strong, and shiny. Most metals are hard, strong, and shiny. Like I have a cap of pen, and this is made up of stainless steel. So this metal is shiny. Okay, shiny and strong. They melt only when they are heated to very high temperature. As you seen, when a person is changing the shape of iron के जो बड़े आयरन के जो पोल्स होते हैं उनका शेप कैसे चेंज करते हैं? कैसे चेंज करते हैं? दे आर हीटेड एट हाई टेम्परेचर. उनको हाई टेम्परेचर पे हीट करेंगे, देन द शेप change. Okay beta, like in your kitchen there are number of utensils are made up of stainless steel, like spoon and plate. You can change the shape? No, we cannot change the shape of them. Why? Because their shape is only changed when they are heated at high temperature, very high, means 1000, 2000, 5000 degree. Okay, then they are heated. So metals cannot change the shape. When heated, they can be made into different shape. When they are heated, yes, your spoon is also made up of stainless steel, plate is also made up of stainless steel, but they have different shape. How these shapes are provided? Yes, stainless steel is a liquid, and when the factory workers pour into different shape, they can take the shape of that. Like वो स्पून जैसे स्ट्रक्चर में उस लिक्विड को पोर करेंगे तो स्टेनलेस स्टील से क्या बन जाएगा? वो स्पून बन जाएगी. व्हेन दे पोर इनटू प्लेट लाइक शेप तो प्लेट बन जाएगी. ओके, नाउ मेटल अलाउ हीट टू पास थ्रू देम इजीली. मेटल अलाउ हीट टू पास थ्रू देम इजीली. If a part of piece of metal is heated, the rest of metal will become hot quickly. Okay student. So metal जो होता है वो heat भी बहुत जल्दी पास करता है. Features of wood. Wood comes from trees. Wood comes from trees. It is strong and hard. Wood can be cut into different shapes. Okay, wood can be cut into different shapes. We get wood from trees. Okay, so why everyone is saying that no need to cut the trees? Because when we cut the trees, when we are cutting the trees, we are affecting indirectly ourselves. अगर हम पेड़ काटेंगे तो हम पेड़ से फ्रूट्स नहीं मिलेंगे, हमें फ्रेश ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिलेगी. ओके, देन wood does not allow heat to pass through it easily. If part of a piece of wood is heated, the other part does not become hot quickly. If you hold a long stick in a fire, only the end, that is the fire, will be hot. Like I have pencil, and this pencil is of wooden. When I put this pencil tip in fire, what will happen? This area will only hot, not hotness comes toward the end. okay, because wood does not pass the heat. But similarly, when I put a spoon in the heat, what will happen? The spoon is completely heated after some time. Why? Because metal pass the heat. So metal is shiny, feel cold and smooth and hard to touch, and wood is dull. Okay students, so वुड कैन बी ब्रेक इजीली, वुड को हम इजीली ब्रेक कर सकते हैं, ओके, एंड मेटल कैन नॉट ब्रेक इजीली, ओके. सो रीड दिस पेज, वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. बाय, टेक केयर बेटा.